आज बोलबो डीएनए प्रोफाइलिंग और डीएनए fingerprinting. What is DNA fingerprinting? DNA profiling or DNA typing is a technique used to distinguish between individuals of the same species using only samples of their DNA. So DNA profiling or DNA typing is a technique, is a process, okay, used to distinguish between individuals of the same species using only samples of their DNA. Although the term DNA fingerprinting is sometimes used, it is not really appropriate. The DNA profiling technique was first reported in 1984 by Sir Alec Jeffreys at the University of Leicester in England. The chemical structure of everyone's DNA is the same. The only difference between persons is the order of the base pairs. Hence, every person could be identified solely by the sequences of their base pairs. Although two individuals will have the vast majority of their DNA sequence in common, DNA profiling exploits highly variable repeat sequences called VNTRs, that is, variable number tandem repeats. VNTR is a general term which includes microsatellite VNTR and mini satellite VNTRs, but is often used loosely to mean the mini satellite class. Within a species, the nucleotide sequences of the repeat units composing VNTR are highly conserved among individuals. However, differences in the number of repeats and thus in the length of simple sequence tandem arrays containing the same repeat unit are quite common among individuals. This DNA polymorphism forms the basis of DNA fingerprinting. The high variability in mini satellites makes them especially useful for genomic mapping because there is a high probability that individuals will vary in their alleles at such a locus. Scientists can use these regions to generate a DNA profile of an individual using samples from blood, bone, hair and other body tissues and products. In human chromosomes, many VNTR regions are bordered by restriction endonuclease sites on either side. Alleles of a given VNTR differ from each other in the size of the segment cut by the restriction endonuclease, giving rise to nearby VNTR differ from each other in the size of the segment cut by the restriction endonuclease, giving rise to nearly unique RFLP patterns. This is the basis of the technique known as DNA fingerprinting. With the technique, forensic scientists have been able to find missing persons, determine whether or not an individual is the parent of a child, and establish beyond reasonable doubt that a person is guilty of a crime for which he or she has been accused. There is a picture. Follow this diagram. If you have any question, make comment. We will meet in next segment with new topic. Thank you.